first class. Okay. So now today, see, we started with identity class and we created an application repository with application user info and everything. Okay. And it has been created in the database level. Now what we are planning to do, we are going to create a controller first. Okay. Recording started, right? Okay. Now in the admin, I'm trying to create a controller. Okay. I'm going to say that controller as account controller. Okay. What controller I'm creating? Everybody say what controller I'm trying to create.
MVC controller.
No.
Oh, sorry, account controller. Sorry.
Yeah, account controller I'm trying to create. Okay. Now here I'm going to change account. Okay. Now this is my account controller. Okay. In this account controller, I am going to have a I action result as register. Okay. This is my view. For that, right click, add view, razor empty. Okay. Now in this, I'm going to say register.cshtml. So I created a account controller. In that, I'm going to have a register.cshtml. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring my menus and everything from the layout view. So how do I bring the layout view here? Can anyone tell me? At the rate, what do we need to do?
We need to import that.
Equal to tilt symbol shared slash views slash underscore layout. Sorry, views slash shared slash underscore layout dot cshtml. Am I right? Say yes or no. I need to append my layout here. Okay. Now come back to create a view for this. What you need to do? You need to create a DTO. You need to create a account DTO. So what you need to do? Create a model. Right click, add new item. Say now before creating a model, right click, add new folder, account models. These models are related to count. So here, right click, add new item, register model. Okay. So to define the view, you need a register model. In the register model, what are all the things you require? Tell me. What are the things you require?
To register
Public,
order.
User ID, email.
full name, get set equal to string dot empty. Okay. Public string email get set equal to string dot empty. Am I correct?
ID not required.
Hmm?
ID.
Not required. You don't need an ID yet.
Okay.
And what else you want? Public string phone number get set string dot empty. Okay. And then public string password get set and public string confirm
Confirm password.
confirm password. So I did a full name, last name, and everything. Now, do I need to have a mandatory check for this particular information? Everything should be mandatory or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
I want a mandatory or not? Nitin, Vivek, Swapnil, Srinivas, Shubham,
Yes, sir.
Nitin. So how do I need to make a mandatory? Can anyone tell me?
We need to import data annotation required.
Required.
What is the data annotation required?
Required.
I say error message equal to full name is mandatory. Am I right? So like that, you have to do a data annotation for the everything. So how do I do that? Data annotation. Nobody is speaking. You all know how to do data annotation. Please, how to do that?
Sir, your voice is very low.
No. How you want to create a data annotation? Tell me.
From
What are
that
the
component
attributes
of
is
data
required?
annotation.
Okay, so when you make required, it will derive from system.model.data annotation. Am I right?
Correct.
Okay, so without data annotation, you cannot move forward. Am I right? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, what do you need to do here? After completing this data annotation, so do I need to change the values? Full name is required. So what do you need to do here? Email is mandatory. And then what is required? Phone number is phone number is mandatory. Here, password is mandatory. Here, confirm password is mandatory. Now I got everything. Now tell me, do I need to change email ID should have a email validation or not?
Yes.
Yes.
You are saying
Regular
only the
expression.
email. Yeah. So what do you need to do?
Regular expression.
Email
Regular
address.
expression.
You have to specify email address. Okay. And then what you need to do? Error message. Email address is not valid. Email address is not valid. If you're not giving a proper email address, what will happen? This annotation will take care of a valid email address. You no need to do anything. Everything is .NET is already given to you. What you need to do, you have to use a email address. Okay? Understand or not? Now you need to have a phone number. Now in the phone number, you are going to give a regular expression. Regular expression. In this regular expression, you are going to say
Narendra, sorry to interrupt. What's going on?
register module. We are
Okay,
planning to register.
It's beginning of authorization and authentication, right?
Yes. First, we are registering and then we are going to log in with the authentication. Okay.
Okay.
Can we move forward?
Yeah.
So here I'm going to use cap 0-9. Understand? So the digits are star $. What will happen? This field only will have numeric values. If we use a regular expression like this field will only accept numeric value, and then
Sir,
what
length
we need to
also.
do? Come again?
Length also, na? 10.
Length is not required. Sometimes you leave it, no problem for that. Okay. Now what you can do here, error message. Okay. Sometimes 10 will be there, sometimes 8 will be there. If you want, you can add it, not a problem. So you simply say, not a valid phone number. Clear? Clear or not? Not a valid
Yes, sir.
phone number. Okay. Now, and have one more type, which is a password. So password, what you need to do, you have to say data type dot, you have to pass like this. So what will happen? The data type will become a password. Anything you are sending as a password, this data type become a password. Or you got my point? Now the same password data type you are going to use here, and then you should have confirm password. You should have confirm password.
Confirm or compare?
Compare, sorry. Compare. Compare to the field. What is the field name?
Password.
Password. And then error message, password should match. Password should not match. Do you have any questions on this till now? We never did all these things in earlier scenarios. Now what we did, we created a required, we created an email address, we created a regular expression, we created a password type, we created a compare. These are all the most possible ways we create a model. Do you have any questions on this model?
No,
Please
sir.
say yes or no.
No, sir.
Everybody, do you have any questions on this model?
So do you want to restrict max where
Ashok, your
max
voice
where
is breaking.
20 character?
That you can provide here. Max length. You can pass like this. Max length of 50. Okay? Ashok. Ashok, you understand, right? See, you can pass something like this. In the required, you say error message where the maximum length is 50. So you can do that. Okay? Now, what I want to do, I go here. Do I need to bring this register model? Do I need to bring this catalog.model.registered model in your CSHTML? Say yes or no? So what do you need to do?
Yes, sir.
At using catalog model dot models dot account models, and then at model, what do you need to do? Register
Model.
Register model. Am I right? So this view will contain a register model or not? Say yes or no, everyone.
Yeah.
Please say yes or no, everyone.
Yeah.
So now what I want to do, go back to my old views. Let's take one view with respect to product. Go to your create product. Let's use that CSHTML. I don't want to waste time. So now go here. I say div class row empty-3. Why I'm using empty-3? Can anyone say what is the purpose of having an empty-3?
Margin top.
Margin top. Div class call lg-6 call md-6 call sm-6 so that your registration will be center aligned. And then what you need to do, you should use, better to have mx auto. So you can use 8, you remove everything, mx-auto. Why do we need an mx auto? Can anyone tell me what is the purpose of mx auto? mx is nothing but margin auto. When you use margin auto, your text will be center aligned. And then rounded border p-, which is nothing but a padding. Okay. Now within this, you are going to use div class. I can say register user. I'm going to register a user. Am I right or wrong? Say yes or no. Am I registering the user with header tag h1 text hyphen center? Now, do I need to link this registration into my layout.cshtml or not? See, you have an account controller. Do I need to register this account controller or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Ashok, Akhil, Vivek, everyone. So now
Yes.
what I'm going to do, go to here, go to my shared in the layout under the nav bar. Okay. So you create another div nav bar. I do one thing. Let me collapse this in the same bar, in the nav bar toggle and everything. I collapsed it. Here I say div class btn hyphen primary. Okay. btn hyphen primary. I say register. I'm going to use btn hyphen outline primary, and then here asp hyphen controller equal to. So it required tag helper. It is there now. So asp hyphen controller. Why the tag helper is not working? You have a tag helper. What is the problem? Okay, fine. So account, and then asp hyphen
Or
action equal to register. Okay. So I got the image with the register. Now save it. Try to run a program. Anybody new today? Catalog model. Confirm one password. Okay. Okay. Where is the issue?
In layout model, we need to import that.
No,
Register
like
could not be
see,
catalog expected. Line number 55. We need 15.
Curly bracket, curly bracket.
After phone number.
You see there is a register. You are able to see a register here. Say yes or no.
Correct.
In the menu, I'm having a register here. Yes or no.
Yes, sir.
You got the register or not?
Yeah.
So you click register, nothing happening. Why? View page source. Come down. Something wrong.
Tag helper is added or no?
It is there. Tag helper is added. Okay. I think we need to have HTTP get
Get
route.
register.
Okay.
Narendra, you
We are
written
not
route
added
register.
this.
You written route register because of you are given in the action button, right?
Yes. No. Every action method should require a get method and route. If it is a post, you have to use HTTP post. If it is a get, you have to use HTTP get. If it is put or delete, you have to use it. Am I right or wrong? So every controller will have HTTP method. On top of that, you have to say the register. That is the reason it is not generating that action method. Now you see, it will generate. Hey, shit. Okay. See the basic mistakes. There you go. You got the registered user? Say yes or no.
Right.
So what do you need to do? In the registered user, CSHTML, you need to have HR. Okay. And then what you will do? You go here, you take every row, right? So before that, first what you need to do? You need to have a form method post. And then always to have ENC tab. We don't require, but better practice, we can have this. Okay, now within the form tag, you are going to have a div. Okay, so what is your div? Can anyone tell me?
Full name.
Div class row empty hyphen 3. This is the first thing. Now what do you need to do? You need to take a label, you need to take a this part. You copy this entire part, just paste here. Now tell me, in the register model, what is your first attribute?
Full
Your
name.
first attribute is full name. Copy this parameter. Now what you need to do? Here, full name, full name, full name. Enter the, okay, you can also give here full name. Okay. Similar fashion, you take copy. One, two, three, 4, 5. So what is your second stuff? Full
Email.
name is done. Then here
Email.
say email. Yes, email. So here you say email. Here you say email. Here you say email. Now what is the next stuff?
Phone number.
Copy this phone number, paste, paste, paste. So what do you need to do? PHO phone number. Okay. Now what I want to do? I have
Password.
a password. So come here, you say password, 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 password. And the only thing in the type, you go and change type equal to password. Then, do you need another one, right?
Confirm password.
Done. Now what I want to do, I want to go here, take this. Take these two guys. Copy. And simply go here, paste. So what you need to do here, register. So when you do a register, what is required? Account here, register. So cancel, you simply say product. If you say cancel, it will go back to your actual page. So what is your cancel? So product is index. Okay. Now go to register CSHTML product index. Okay, fine. Now everything is perfect. Now go to run a project. Now click on a register. Now come back. When you click cancel, it is not going back. Why?
We provided register only, right? Cancel. Cancel we provided.
Product index correct only, right?
Correct only. But it's not navigating.
Okay, we'll do one thing. Later point of time, we'll think about it. Now, when you click a register, it is not having a, it is having a problem. So what I want to do, go back to your account controller, public iAction result, register model. Am I right? You need a model, and then register model, return view, something like that. You are going to have a return register model. Here you required HTTP post and route equal to what? Register.
Register.
Now put a breakpoint. Try to run. Now what I want to do, when you click register, why it is not submitting? I say Narendra, lead side is cut. gmail.com 99620791. Naren at 123. Naren at 123. And click submit. No thanks. Nothing is happening. How come? HTTP post is correct only, right? Okay, do one thing. Let me remove this. Let me have this alone. Go to account. Yes, account. Go to here. Register. Correct. Where I'm having a posting. Try to run it. Okay, because of the NCPT. One second. Hold on. It is expecting this guy. You don't need this guy right now. You are simply posting the data. You are not posting any document.
In ASP.NET, we used to do validation equal to true. Like that, anything we need, right?
Okay. Buddy, you need a button. You had a button. Register. Correct only.
Data annotation, something missing.
It's correct only.
Sir, can you go to the CSHTML? Sir, is it that the submit button should be outside the form?
Remove HTTP post and just provide route.
If you take the button out of the form,
Yeah, remove
if you take,
HTTP post.
if you take this button out
No,
of
HTTP post is mandatory.
You can keep it only HTTP register.
No, it will not work.
I think button need to come outside form.
No.
Actually, we need to do submit, right?
That's what. You see. Button should come within function.
Submit, we need to do submit.
Button type equal to submit.
It automatically. This should generate like this. See, it should generate like this. Why it is not creating? You see, it is not generating like that. See the difference here. Form action equal to create product. Here, it is not creating. What is the issue with the code? See, they are saying call PTN class. Okay, I'm taking same as it is. Copy. Paste. Oh,
Have you added the tag helper?
I told you right in beginning only. This is tag helper was not added.
no, actually, my concern is we
Because
are
everything
using
is
it
copy pasted from the different page.
in the layout. We are already having tag helper, right? Why should it has to call? I have to specifically add tag helper once again here. Because this page will render under the control of layout.cshtml, right? Quite interesting. So means every page I need to add a tag helper. That is not the way, right?
I think, sir, that is view start.
No, that view start and all will later point of time we will clean that. But basically it has to work, right?
Yeah, technically should.
See, now it is creating because create product is coming.
Register you need to, right?
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm going to change. Right. Just I'm confirming. Here you go. Now run it. Go to your account controller, the breakpoint of here.
I think in controller we removed HTTP post, right?
Yes. Narendrababu. Done. Why it is not submitting?
Sir, you removed HTTP post.
And I need to do one more thing here. Okay.
Can you provide create a register, something like that in the controller?
No, I want to do like this only. Just a second. Why should it not work? is there? Why it is getting a model validation here?
Actually, after this, whatever we do the model creation, right now, it will be goes to save in the database, right? We need have repository service like we need to do the table
No,
creation.
that and all later point of time. First, you need to submit the request to this register model, right?
Then we can go for migration.
What you
After,
are saying is correct. Okay.
yeah. After submit, we not do, right. Before only we need we need structure of that. After that will be save. Where can will we go and save?
You are not. You are not. Can you మళ్ళీ చెప్పు తెలుగులో?
ఇప్పుడు మనకు స్ట్రక్చర్ లేనిది సబ్మిట్ అని కొడితే అది పోదు కదా. స్ట్రక్చర్
Structure
ఉంటే
ఉంది కదా. You have a structure, right? This is my structure. You have full name, you have email, you have phone number, you have password, you have confirm password with the register model. You have a structure, right?
ఐఎమ్ నేనేమంటున్నా అంటే టేబుల్లో స్ట్రక్చర్ కూడా ఉండాలి కదా. పోస్ట్ వెన్ వీఆర్ ట్రయింగ్ ఫర్
It
ద
is already there. It is already there. It is already created. Last session we created.
ఓకే.
Can you remove this? Explain. Ink type. Ink type. Remove that.
This one, nah?
Yeah, remove that.
Quite interesting, right?
Pushback is happening.
Pushback is not at all happening.
No, but how it is got cleared, those password and confirm password?
To keep it regular password, confirm password. Type equal input type equal to text.
This is fishy.
And remove this compare also. Remove that compare
No, let it be.
validation. It will again make it blank.
You are talking about this one, huh?
Is there any other validation?
No, we want to understand why it is stopping. Payload is there. Quite interesting. Can I check tomorrow and give you? Is it okay?
Sure, no.
Last time it was working, right? When we are registering, Ashok.
No, I have not worked on it. I just created a register HTML only. That's what I was working.
Surely I was worked last time, you see. Okay, let me stop it.